Hummingbirds are fascinating creatures. With their vibrant colors and rapid wing beats, they captivate our attention and leave us in awe. These tiny birds are known for their incredible agility and unique flying abilities. They can hover in midair, fly backward, and even upside down. Their long, slender beaks are perfectly adapted for sipping nectar from flowers, which is their primary source of food. Hummingbirds play a crucial role in pollination, as they transfer pollen from one flower to another as they feed. It's truly remarkable how such small creatures can have such a significant impact on our ecosystem. So next time you see a hummingbird, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and the vital role it plays in our natural world.